yan ang lagi mo gagawin. Pag-intro at outro mo yan.
Ayan, eating time na. Breakfast ready.
Breakfast. Tulog na umaga.
Camping again sa Maleha. So sina Ninong Chris kami umabol ng gabi.
General, Red, good to see you. Successful excursion? Yes, sir. From all at Christmas time, it's like oxygen for me. Thank you.
Grill din. Bulalo. Parang okay na rin.
Ha?
Okay na yata eh.
Okay na ba to? Tingin mo.
Evening, ladies.
Ay, itong isa hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Ito. Sulok na eh. Ang galing ko na yung isa.
Hindi pa naman.
What are you so excited about?
Totoo ba siyang kanta or ano?
Oo.
Of course, your boyfriend's here.
Yung isa busy sa panonood.
Hey, girls.
Naka-live na pa rin?
Hindi na. Video lang.
Of course I didn't forget.
The pad and body back to Area 32 and get the pumpkin back in the cryo home stat.
Yes, start.
Kain na!
What the hell was that?
Iya!
We're questioning all the
Kain na.
suspects.
Magre-recharge na sa...
horseman? Hey, what did that taser thing do to my head?
Eating time.
Let's go.
Kain na. Sabaw-sabaw. Ng bulalo.
What the hell just happened?
Oo, nagluto.
Nagluto ng ninong ng pork chop.
Ano mo? Tapsi
Oh,
mo
sige,
pala.
boxing tapsi.
Sino may gustong taps?
Tapsi. Tapsi log.
Tapsi.
I said practical.
No.
Like what? A minivan? Who wants a practical hot wheel?
Kailan?
Also, what difference does? Yeah.
Oh, malaki ang po.
Yeah, I know he's a good kid. It's not what you think. Mother and I were never together. I mean, I'm his father. Honestly, the best thing I can do for the kid is keep some distance so I don't get in the way and he's not disappointed all the time. So, I don't know what. I'm just saying you're trying not to disappoint him.
Tug na.
What'd you do? What do you mean, what did I do? I didn't do anything.
Pinapuit na.
Oh, shit. Whoa, whoa.
A few minutes later.
Sleeping time na. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Lamig.
few minutes later.
Kilo ka ba?
Nice,
Oo,
Pam.
lahat yan.
Saka
United States of Lukban.
lokban. Longganisan lokban.
Ported po ito.
Ayun.
Meron pa sa bahay niya, nakapagdala sa inyo. Dala mo nga, pre.
Namin nadala nung ano kasi lang yung...
Oo. Ayun o. Yung mag-aano ng basura. Oo.
Naglalaro lang.
Naglalaro
muna eh, no?
Lalaro muna.
Yung taga-kolekta ng basura. Oo ha?
Pilipinas.
Oo.
Ba, akit pa yata.
Oo. Akit yan. Panis, oh. Ang galing ng collectors ng garbage. Busy yung dalawa.
Yeah.
Lalaro nga.
Minecraft watching you guys.
Mamaya siguro. Dito. Doon sa kabila?
Meron. Yun, yung mga ano.
Talaga mga ganyan sila.
Yan na ha, yan ang lagi mo gagawin. Pag intro at outro mo yan.
Ayan, eating time na. Breakfast ready.
Breakfast. Tulog na kumaga. Tulog na kumaga.
Namiss namin yung maingay na nagbibidyo, okay?
Iba pala, no? Nakakainis din. Nakakainis.
Eating time.
Bilis. Wait, ano? Ito mo, papaluan mo konti. Tapos, prito.
Ang cup noodles.
Pero itong ano na to,
A few minutes later.